to Gucci's Cocktail Show. Now today I'm making a drink called the Aviatrix. This drink only needs 3 ingredients. We need strawberries, bourbon, Maker's Mark, and vodka. So let's crack on with making this drink. First things first, we'll need to put our strawberries into our shaker. I'm going to put 5 strawberries in, and this is where I get my rolling pin and I start mushing these. This is called muddling, and these strawberries aren't that ripe, so I'm struggling a little bit, especially this little bugger here. All right. Muddle, 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 smush, smush, smush. Done. And this is what the muddled drink should look like. See? Excellent. Next, we're going to add some ice. And now we're going to add our spirits. So half a shot of bourbon, and now I'm going to add 2 shots of vodka. Next, I'm going to put the lid on, and we're going to shake this for 20 seconds. Or we can sing. Now to serve this drink, we're going to put it in a glass with ice. I like to use short glasses. I'm going to put in some chopped up strawberries. I'm going to give this a stir. A few more chopped up. And I'm going to pour this in here. I'll actually add a bit more ice. And give this a stir. I'm going to add a beautiful little garnish, where I've just cut the strawberry in half, cut a little slice down the middle, and I just pop that on. And we are done. This is an Aviatrix. I'll admit I've never tried one of these before, but my auntie swears by them. So, cheers. Whoa, that's pretty strong. If you love vodka and strawberries, this drink is definitely for you. I'm not a massive fan, but happy Sunday. Have a wonderful day. See you later.